In this video we will talk about how to find the negative and the positive number in the Python. How to find the positive and negative numbers in the Python. This is the logic. What is happening here is, this is the program. What is happening here is, here the user enters the input. That input is converted into the integer and assigned to the number, and the number is checked for whether the entered number is greater than 0. If the number is greater than 0, then the output is printed as a positive number. In case if this condition is not true, if the number is not greater than 0, again it will check elif. Elif, what it is doing, it is checking whether it is 0. If it is 0, then it prints the 0 number. In case if this condition is also fails, it comes here in the else part. This condition is printed, that is a number is negative number. Let's say if you entered number 8, this is the positive number. Here if you enter 0, this is the number 0. In case if you enter 0 -8 minus 8, this is the negative number. So we will test for 8 0 -8. If we enter this value, then we should be getting this output. What is that? For 8 we should get positive number, for 0 we should get number is 0, for -8 we should get the number is negative. Let's run and see. This is the output window. So for the first one I am entering 8. For number 8 it is saying number is positive. Now I will test for 0. The output is number is 0. Now I will test -8. Number -8, that is the negative number. -8. The number is negative. So it is working as expected. So I'll repeat once again what is the logic. Here user enters the number. Why I'm taking is, instead of hard coding, this is something like user can enter any value. This entered value is in the raw string format and it will be converted into the integer. Here is the if condition. If the number is greater than 0, then it will be considered as positive number. This sentence will be displayed. Else if it is 0, then number is 0. Else if it is not greater than 0, if it is not 0 also, then condition comes here, else part, the number is -0 displayed. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. There will be more videos following this video. Please keep on watching.